All right, so you see those headlines, right? Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, blending billions. I mean,
It's crazy.
makes you think, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Is there any way at all for regular people
Right.
to get in on even a little piece of
A
that?
sliver.
A sliver of that action? Well, we've been looking into this system. It's called the Netflix Cash Loophole.
Okay.
And the promises it makes, it definitely caught our eye,
Yeah.
tapping into that money-making potential.
Yeah, it's definitely an intriguing idea, isn't it? The core idea here, I think,
Yeah.
is that it's suggesting you can generate income just by sharing videos online.
Right.
And it's aiming for a model that, in principle at least, kind of echoes how those major streaming platforms already work.
Right.
Distribute content, earn revenue. But the really big claim here is that you can do this
Yeah.
without needing a massive following already.
While meeting a massive audience, yeah.
Yeah,
Because who has the time to build that up?
exactly.
It's exhausting just thinking about it. So this Netflix Cash Loophole, what is it exactly?
Well, from what we can gather, the fundamental concept,
Yeah.
it revolves around sharing videos online, but sharing them in a very specific way
Okay.
that the system claims can generate earnings for you.
Okay.
Like a micro distribution model, I guess you could say. Now, the specifics of how that sharing actually leads to, direct income,
Right.
that's what we really need to look at closely.
And that's where the questions start piling up, right? I mean, first off,
Yeah.
is this thing even current? People are searching for 2025 reviews, so
Yeah. So there's definitely interest.
it's on people's minds.
Yeah.
Right. And then you start thinking about the practical stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Is there an app? What do you even get when you sign up?
You go right to the practical stuff, which I like. The
Yeah.
cost, are there going to be any upgrades, down the line?
Yeah, the hidden stuff.
Yeah, the hidden stuff, bonuses, special offers, and, crucially,
Yeah.
is there an official website? Does it look legitimate?
Because a professional-looking website, that goes a long way
It does.
in terms of trust.
Oh, for sure.
But also, you want to hear from real people.
Oh, absolutely.
What are the honest reviews saying? What's the actual user experience like?
Exactly.
That's crucial.
And is there a demo? Is there a tutorial? That would tell you
Right.
whether the system's even easy to understand.
Easy to use.
Easy to use, yeah. And then, of course, everyone wants to know,
Yeah.
is it beginner-friendly?
Mm.
How quick could you potentially start seeing earnings?
Right. And do you need to be like a tech expert? Do you need your own website, your own
Yeah.
blog?
Yeah, that's a big one these days.
And of course, the big question, the one everyone's thinking but maybe afraid to ask,
Uh-huh.
is this a scam?
Is it legit?
Is it legit?
Yeah.
Right. And then there's just, everyday practical stuff.
Yeah, for sure.
Can you do this on your phone? How often do they pay out?
And how much time are we talking here? To create the content, if there is any.
Right.
Can you use it internationally? Is it a one-time fee or a subscription?
Oh, okay.
What kind of support is available if you have problems?
Because, yeah, you don't want to be left high and dry.
Exactly.
If something goes wrong, you need help.
Absolutely. And do you have to spend money on paid traffic
Ooh,
to actually make money? I mean, the big dream for most people.
yeah.
Could this be a full-time income?
Could you replace your job?
That's the question, right? So what does it all come down to? I think people really want to know
Yeah.
what makes this different. What sets the Netflix Cash Loophole apart from all the other ways to make money online?
Right. Because there's a lot of them.
There are a lot of them. It seems like the premise is to use video sharing,
Okay.
but to use it in a way that taps into that huge potential of people watching videos online.
Right.
Similar to how the big streaming platforms do it,
Right.
but on an individual level.
Okay. So to recap, this Netflix Cash Loophole, from what we're seeing,
Yeah.
it's all about the idea of potentially making money by sharing videos online,
Right.
taking inspiration from the way those big companies like Netflix make their money.
Exactly.
We've gone over a lot of the questions you might be having. The basic idea, the costs, how easy it is to use, and how much you could potentially make.
And that brings us to the really big question.
Okay.
Is this a real shift in how people can make money online? Or is it just another fad?
Another flash in the pan.
Yeah, exactly. What parts of this stood out to you, and what would you want to learn more about?
Yeah. Let us know, and we'll keep digging.
Absolutely, we will.